See in 100 seconds. Pointer arithmetic. An array name is already a pointer to the first element. No ampersand needed. Nums and ptr point to the same place. Int star ptr equals nums. Now ptr points to the start of the array. Star ptr gives you the first element, 10. Add 1 and you get the next element, not the next byte. Ptr plus 1 jumps 4 bytes forward because an int is 4 bytes. Ptr plus 3 skips to the fourth element, 40. You can walk the entire array with a pointer and a loop. Ptr plus I moves through each element in order. Star of Ptr plus I dereferences at each position. Same result as bracket notation, but with raw pointer math. "10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Walked through memory one pointer step at a time. Next up, pass by reference.